Iron-deficiency anemia, signs and symptoms. When your body does not have enough of the mineral iron, you have iron deficiency. Iron is required by the body to produce hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells that allows them to transport oxygen throughout the body. Your tissues and muscles will not be able to operate efficiently if you don't have enough hemoglobin in your body. Anemia develops as a result of this. Although there are other kinds of anemia, iron deficiency anemia is by far the most prevalent. Iron deficiency can cause symptoms that impair your quality of life. These symptoms include shortness of breath, fatigue, and decreased focus. Here are the signs and symptoms of iron deficiency. 1. Unusual tiredness. One of the most common symptoms of iron deficiency is extreme tiredness. This tiredness occurs because your body lacks the iron required to produce hemoglobin, a protein that aids in the transport of oxygen throughout the body. Because exhaustion is generally seen as a normal aspect of modern life, it's difficult to identify iron deficiency just based on this symptom. Low energy, combined with tiredness, irritability, and trouble focusing, are common symptoms of iron insufficiency. 2. Paleness. Because hemoglobin in red blood cells gives blood its red hue, iron deficiency causes the blood to become less red. The paleness that persons with iron deficiency experience might be all over the body or restricted to a single location. Paleness on the cheeks, lower inner eyelids, or nails might indicate a moderate or severe iron shortage. 3. Shortness of breath. Your red blood cells use hemoglobin to transport oxygen throughout your body. Oxygen levels will be low when hemoglobin levels are low due to iron insufficiency. When a result, as your body strives to acquire more oxygen, your breathing rate will rise. 4. Headaches and dizziness. Headaches can be caused by an iron shortage, especially in women. This symptom appears to be less prevalent than others and is frequently associated with dizziness or lightheadedness. Because of the absence of hemoglobin, not enough oxygen may reach the brain, causing blood vessels to expand and produce pressure. 5. Heart palpitations. Heart palpitations, or noticeable heartbeats, are another sign of iron deficiency anemia. The heart needs to work extra hard to carry oxygen across the body in situations of iron shortage. 6. Dry and damaged hair and skin. If you're losing clumps or a lot more than usual, it might be due to an iron shortage. During an iron shortage, the skin and hair may receive less oxygen from the blood, leading them to become dry and damaged. This can result in hair loss in more severe situations. 7. Swelling and soreness of the tongue and mouth. Looking inside or around your mouth can sometimes reveal whether or not you have iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia can cause a painful, swollen, or unusually smooth tongue. Cracks in the corners of the lips might also indicate something is wrong. 8. Restless legs. Restless leg syndrome has been related to iron insufficiency. Restless leg syndrome is characterized by a persistent desire to move your legs when lying down. It might also produce odd crawling or itching feelings in your feet and legs. It is generally worse at night, which makes it difficult to sleep. 9. Brittle or spoon-shaped fingernails. Brittle or spoon-shaped fingernails are a far less frequent sign of iron insufficiency. Brittle nails that readily chip and fracture are usually the first indication. Spoon-shaped nails, which have the center of the nail dipping and the sides elevated to create a rounded look like a spoon, can develop in later stages of iron insufficiency. Brittle or spoon-shaped nails may indicate a more serious case of iron deficiency anemia. Consult your doctor if you suspect you have iron-deficient symptoms. The majority of cases of iron insufficiency may be easily treated with an iron-rich diet or iron supplements. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.